Need a deck-over gooseneck that makes loading your equipment effortless? Meet the new LY, the 102-inch hydraulic dovetail from PJ Trailers. Your solution for tackling the toughest jobs faster and smarter, designed to outperform the competition with next-level innovation. Let's dive into why the LY is the game-changer for hauling heavy equipment. With innovative design and unmatched performance, it's redefining the way you transport gear. Introducing the all-new Dovetail, designed to make loading big, heavy gear easier than ever. With a 12,000-pound lift capacity and a 12-degree ramp angle, it's the next-level solution for effortless hauling. Level up your hauling game with our trailer's massive 102-inch wide deck. Whether you're packing heavy gear or making sure your stuff stays put, the built-in heavy-duty rub rail and stake pockets are here to make your life easier. The LY features an under-deck spare tire mount, keeping your spare tire within easy reach. No more climbing up to the neck or struggling to access it when you need it most. Convenience at its finest. Designed to handle tough loads, this trailer comes standard with dual tires and 10K axles, giving you a solid 25,000-pound GVWR. Need even more power? You can upgrade to 12K axles, pushing your max GVWR to a beastly 30,000 pounds. The LY comes equipped with a toolbox, chain storage, and built-in jacks. Everything you need to get the job done right every time. Featuring the Pro Beam Gooseneck and Demco Easy Latch Gooseneck coupler, which gives you adjustability and makes hooking up your truck a snap. Best of all, you can customize the LY to your specific hauling needs by choosing from PJ's huge selection of industry-leading options. Visit pjtrailers.com today to learn more about the LY, locate your nearest PJ dealer, and see how what drives you drives us.